I just arrived here in Fullerton for the SSR Performance event. They're having a Cars and Coffee, and then after this I'll be heading over to Chino to attend the APR event. I got here a little bit early and I was surprised that not many people were here by 8, and right after the 8 o'clock hour hit, everybody started rolling in. So let's check out some of the cars. Out of all the cars that were at this event, it might come as a surprise that my favorite car was the yellow M Roadster. I've admired this car for quite some time, and every now and then I check out the market and see if there's any available for a reasonable price. The event here in Fullerton was really good. There's a lot of cars that came out, so I'm going to head out to Chino and check out the APR event now. that's gonna pretty much wrap up my day of events. I took a few pictures here at APR. I wasn't able to get too much video. I noticed some people were already leaving when I got here because I arrived a little bit late. So here are some of the pictures that I took. Alright, just like that, we're here in Universal Studios with my family. So that's going to do it for this episode. Thanks for joining, and we'll see you on the next one.